Hello, my crafty friends. I'm so glad you're back with us today. Today I have a sea turtle card. I am was showing you there that I embossed my front panel with a bubble embossing folder that I just recently acquired. And so I die cut a circle out of it, and I traced it onto my card base here. I'm using the La La Land Crafts layering water ripple stencils, and I am going to use my Distress Oxides to ink blend some Distress ink here onto this circle. I kind of get it all over. But I was kind of pleased with it in the end. So I'm going to get this circle all ink blended. I used tumbled glass here. And then on this one, I used Salty Ocean. And I'm going to just kind of use some ripples over top of that. And then I will reveal and show you that it looks kind of like, some waves going in and out. The white could be the crest of the waves, and my sea turtle is going to ride on that crest of that wave. So I am stamping him with my stamping tool, and I'm using Gina K Amalgam ink here. And then I'm going to begin to Copic color my turtle. I'm going to play some music while I color in my turtle, and then I'll catch you back when I'm done coloring. Okay, I'm almost finished coloring my turtle here. Well, I got a bit more to go, but I thought I could share a couple of things with you. You saw me show you a bundle of Copic markers there at the beginning. I have seen a few other people do that. I have a great difficulty putting my caps on the side and making sure you can see them and everything. So I just thought, well, why not just hold up the bundle and they can see what colors they were. Anyhow, so I decided to color this turtle in. I looked up, Googled sea turtles, and a lot of them were brown, and I just didn't want brown. So I thought I would color him up in some dark greens. So, but a lot of sea turtles have like a yellowish color on them too. So I kind of added in some kind of dull yellows so you can see the yellows on the turtle too. So I am kind of using my dark green and then blending it out here. And sorry, my hand's in the way. I can't figure out how to do this coloring, and so you can see it all. So anyhow, and it was so hard to go around all of these spots on his fins and his head, and don't color them in. So I did the best I could. So anyhow, so we just came off of our June theme. It was Under the Sea, and the design team focused on under the sea projects. And I didn't get to use this stamp. And I don't get to use all of the stamps that I have planned out because just plain sometimes I can't get a video up during the week because it's difficult, running the business and trying to make videos once a week. I want to do it. I have every desire to do it, but it's a little bit difficult. So, but I'm working on it. This one will make 3 weeks in a row. I'm so excited. So anyhow, I am just using my kind of dull yellow, kind of yellowish green markers to color his spots in. So anyhow, I didn't get to use this in June, and Kimberly and I were discussing it, and we said, you know what? We have the products. We have the products for me to use. I'm not going to follow the theme. I don't know why I colored these bubbles in blue, because I end up fussy cutting them right off. I was not going to fussy cut those dots out. Anyhow, I lost a little bit of footage fussy cutting here. I'm not the best fussy cutter either. So I am cutting my turtle out, fussy cutting him out. I told somebody recently I have a love-hate relationship with my scan and cut. I should have just waited and stamped and colored some images for another video and used my scan, because I used my scan and cut on those and used it on this one. But I was not thinking about that at this time. And then when I did go to use my scan and cut, everything just worked beautifully today. So it has a mind of its own, I think. So I am getting my turtle fussy cut out here, and then I'm going to put him in that circle. I'm going to pop him. No, I don't think I popped him up. I think I put him straight down. I don't remember. We'll see when I put him down. So anyhow, Kimberly and I talked about it and decided that I would just use the products that we bought for me to use and not follow the themes that the design team follows. So you will be seeing me use all kinds of products that are in the store and that you will be able to purchase. But I'm not going to follow the theme that the design team follows. So anyhow, I took my panel here that I used the embossing folder on and popped it up, and I fiddled with my foam tape there and the panel, and then had to trim the side off. Sorry, I'm off camera here a little bit. I had zoomed in while I was coloring and I forgot to zoom back out. So anyhow, and my husband said, Teresa, you've got to do better. This card has all kinds of flaws in it. I do realize that I've got some foam tape sticking out over there. I'm going to try and cut that off. You'll see me trying to push it in with my finger, and I couldn't do that. I'm going to try and cut it off with an X-Acto knife. So anyhow, I guess I did plan on popping my turtle up. So I am putting some dimensionals on him to give him some dimension, and I will get him popped up. And put right smack dab in the center of that circle. And there he is swimming. So then I'm going to set my card aside and I'm going to work on my sentiment. I cut this out with a word die high from, it is from MFT, one of my favorite companies. And I decided to go ahead and I didn't want to put white on white, so I decided to go ahead and just kind of give it an ombre color of the 3 green colors I used for the turtle. So I'm giving it some color here with my Copic markers, and I will pull it out and get it on my panel. I didn't want to pop this up, so I used some Lawn Fawn glue in the tube to put this on my card. Oh, nope, didn't use the Lawn Fawn glue. Sorry about that. I used my Zig pen. I do have some Lawn Fawn glue, but I didn't use it on this one. So I get my high on there. I kind of thought, you know, just kind of simple. It didn't need an elaborate sentiment, and this stamp doesn't come with a sentiment. So anyhow, that's my card, and thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you later. Bye.